Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify this trig expression. In this problem, we have two terms on the left and one term on the right. So we're going to start with the two terms on the left, and we're going to begin by getting a common denominator so that we can make the two terms into one term. Our common denominator is going to be sine x, secant x. So our secant x gets multiplied by another secant x, and then we have a minus sine x times sine x. This gives us secant squared x minus sine squared x on the top, and then our sine x and our secant x on the bottom. This one's definitely more complicated. Let's see what we should do next. Let's notice on our right-hand side that we have a tangent squared, and our left-hand side we have a secant squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the secant squared to tangent squared. So we're going to use the identity 1 plus tangent squared x is secant squared x. And let's plug that in. So secant squared x is 1 plus tangent squared x minus sine squared x, all divided by sine x times secant x. Now we can see that we have a 1 minus sine squared x, and we know that that's cosine squared x, so let's plug that in. So we have a cosine squared x plus tangent squared x. And on the bottom, let's plug in that secant x is 1 over cosine x, because that's going to give us tangent. So we have a sine x times 1 over cosine x. And I don't have any room down below, so we're going to go to the right. So we have tangent squared plus cosine squared on top. I'm switching the order to agree with what's on the right-hand side. And then on the bottom, we have tangent x, and that agrees with our right-hand side.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.